Hey, this is Allison from Mahalo Math. Welcome to our SAT Prep series. We're going to be working some problems, and working with me today is Chrissy and Trevor. So let's get started. Let's take a look at problem 15. It says if s is not equal to 0, then 1 over 6 over 2s is equal to what? So anybody think they know how to do this one?
No, actually.
Okay. Okay, so this kind of looks confusing, I think, when you first look at it. Do you know why they say s is not equal to 0? Do you know
They just want to make sure that you know that you can't use it's not 0.
Yeah, part of the reason that they have to put that in this problem, it's not really going to affect how you're going to do the problem, but technically, because you have an s in the denominator of that fraction, that means you're dividing by s, and you can't divide by 0, it's undefined. So that s is not equal to 0, don't let that throw you off. It's kind of a technicality. So that's just there, and we're just going to look at the rest of this. So we have 1 over 6 over 2s. Now, anytime you see a fraction, that's just another way of writing division. So 1 over 6 over 2s is the same as saying 1 divided by 6 over 2s.
Right.
Okay? So we have 1 divided by 6 over 2s. Now, when you're doing division with fractions, the way you do that is you change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and you flip the fraction upside down. You take its reciprocal. So instead of 1 divided by 6 over 2s, we're going to have 1 times, what's the reciprocal of 6 over 2s? Flip it upside down.
2s over 6?
2s over 6. So what's 1 times 2s over 6?
It is 2s over 6.
It's 2s over 6. Okay. Now, is that one of our answers?
Nope.
No.
Why do you think that might be? Do you think we're wrong, or do you think there's something else we need to do?
There's something else we need to do.
What do you think we need to do?
Reduce.
Reduce. Always
right,
reduce as much
right.
as possible. Okay, so how can we reduce 2s over 6? Can we do anything about the s? Now, the s is just a variable. We don't know what it is. But what is 2 over 6 reduced to?
1 over 3.
Exactly. So this becomes 1 over 3 times s. Now, is that one of our answers?
Yes.
Yes. Which answer?
A.
That's 1 over 3s. Our answer is 1 over 3 times s. Now, what's another way of writing 1 times s?
1s.
Yeah, what is 1 times s?
S.
S. So 1 over 3 times s is the same as just s over 3, right?
Right.
And is that one of our answers?
Yes.
Yes, it's answer C. And what you did, the 1 over 3s, that is so easy to do on problems like this, because you got to be careful when you're flipping fractions upside down, because it's really easy to get confused about which way they're supposed to go. The best thing to do is always to write it out as a division equation first, and then literally just change it into multiplication, flip it upside down, and do it step by step. It's not really hard, but it's really easy to do wrong. You know what I mean? Because it's just so easy to look at that and go, oh, 1 over 3s, that looks right. And then you'll end up getting it wrong, and you don't want to miss one that's actually this simple to do.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Good. Thanks for learning with us today. If you'd like any more information on these topics, click on the links below. And if you have a specific request, please send it to requests@mahalo.com. We'll see you later.